2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is a revolutionary concept that fuses supercar DNA with the luxurious world of high-end motorhomes. Designed to stand out in both performance and presence, this futuristic vehicle redefines what it means to travel in style. It merges Lamborghini's aggressive design philosophy with premium comfort, making it one of the most talked-about vehicles in the luxury RV segment. From the outside, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome commands attention with its sharp aerodynamic lines, Y-shaped LED headlights, and a low-slung profile reminiscent of the brand's sports cars. It features large air intakes for cooling and performance aesthetics, while custom alloy wheels, carbon fiber accents, and scissor doors pay homage to the iconic Lamborghini styling. The front fascia carries the brand's bold attitude, while the rear includes sleek taillights and a unique rear spoiler for added flair. Under the hood, the Lamborghini Motorhome is expected to be powered by a hybrid V8 engine, delivering more than 700 horsepower, ensuring that it performs unlike any other RV on the road. All-wheel drive, advanced suspension tuning, and rear-wheel steering contribute to surprisingly agile handling, allowing this motorhome to perform with confidence across highways and winding roads alike. Despite its size, Lamborghini engineers have focused on keeping the weight balanced and optimizing aerodynamics for maximum efficiency and performance. Inside, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome offers a spacious, futuristic cabin that balances performance aesthetics with luxurious functionality. The interior is wrapped in Alcantara, fine Italian leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum. The cockpit includes a race-inspired steering wheel, digital driver display, and touchscreen command center. Ambient lighting and voice-controlled features make it feel like a high-tech sanctuary. Beyond the cockpit, the motorhome transforms into a luxury living space with features such as a full-size lounge, retractable smart TV, gourmet kitchen, premium sleeping quarters, and a spa-like bathroom with advanced climate control. The layout has been meticulously designed to maximize space and comfort without compromising Lamborghini's performance ethos. A deployable rear patio space and integrated solar panel roof enhance its off-grid capabilities. Technology includes an advanced infotainment system with satellite connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and built-in AI for route planning and energy management. Safety is a priority, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, 360-degree cameras, and autonomous parking capabilities. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is not just about travel, it's about making a statement. It combines the thrill of Lamborghini performance with the convenience and luxury of a mobile home, opening a new category in automotive luxury. It's ideal for those who want to explore the world without sacrificing performance, style, or comfort. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo, a revolutionary electric SUV that merges futuristic aesthetics, high-end performance, and intelligent technology into one impressive package. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo is built to stand out. Its design is a bold step forward for the brand, showcasing smooth aerodynamic curves combined with a distinctive armored shell-inspired body. The front fascia features a seamless LED light bar stretching across the grille, paired with adaptive pixel headlights that adjust dynamically to lighting conditions and driving scenarios. The flush door handles, active aerodynamic components, and self-healing paint are all part of a design language that signals the future of luxury SUV. Powering the Armadillo is a dual electric motor setup capable of delivering 850 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque. This setup propels the SUV from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.2 seconds, making it one of the fastest in its class. The advanced solid-state battery offers a remarkable range of up to 540 miles on a full charge and supports 350 kW ultra-fast charging, allowing for 80% recharge in just 18 minutes. The performance is further enhanced by the latest generation of Mercedes 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system and an intelligent air suspension that adapts to road conditions in real time. Inside the Armadillo, luxury and technology coexist effortlessly. The cabin features Mercedes-Benz Hyper screen that spans the dashboard with OLED displays for the driver, center, and passenger. All controls are touch, voice, or gesture-based, offering a seamless digital interface. The materials used in the cabin include sustainably sourced leather alternatives, polished wood accents, and customizable ambient lighting that adapts to driving modes and time of day. The rear seats are just as refined as the front, with reclining, ventilation, massage functions, and individual entertainment systems. Safety is at the forefront with Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities. A suite of sensors, cameras, radar, and LiDAR provide 360-degree awareness, enabling functions like highway autopilot, intelligent lane changing, and smart parking. Biometric security features such as facial recognition and fingerprint start are standard, ensuring the vehicle remains personalized and secure at all times. Over-the-air updates keep the Armadillo software current, while a connected app allows remote access and diagnostics. Mercedes also adds practical innovations like a modular cargo area, a power tailgate with gesture control, and vehicle-to-grid energy sharing, turning the Armadillo into a mobile power hub when needed. Whether it is daily commuting, cross-country travel, or off-road adventure, the 2026 Armadillo is engineered to handle it all with unmatched sophistication. The Bugatti Motorhome 700 is a groundbreaking concept that blends hypercar performance with the comfort and utility of a luxury motorhome. Designed for automotive enthusiasts who demand speed, style, and sophistication in one package, this futuristic vehicle redefines what it means to travel in ultimate luxury. The Motorhome 700 is not just a camper, it's a high-performance lifestyle machine built with the craftsmanship and precision synonymous with the Bugatti name. Under the hood, the Bugatti Motorhome 700 is rumored to house a hybrid V12 powertrain capable of producing over 700 horsepower. This setup allows for impressive acceleration and smooth cruising even when fully loaded. Unlike traditional motorhomes, which prioritize space over performance, this model delivers both. The powertrain is paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension, ensuring a smooth, balanced ride on highways or winding mountain roads. Fuel efficiency is enhanced through a smart hybrid management system that switches power modes depending on terrain and driving style. In terms of design, the Bugatti Motorhome 700 is a showstopper. The sleek, aerodynamic profile takes cues from the Chiron and other Bugatti hypercars, with a low, lung front, dramatic LED lighting, and carbon fiber accents throughout the body. The extended cabin is seamlessly integrated into the chassis, creating a futuristic silhouette that looks more like a concept vehicle than a traditional motorhome. Retractable solar panels, a panoramic sunroof, and digital side mirrors further enhance the high-tech aesthetic. Inside, the living space rivals a luxury hotel suite. Premium leather seating, custom wood finishes, ambient lighting, and digital touchscreen controls create an environment of elegance and comfort. The lounge area converts into a full bedroom, while the kitchenette features high-end appliances including an induction stove, compact fridge, and smart sink. The bathroom includes a rainfall shower, modern sink vanity, and space-saving toilet design. Every inch of the interior is optimized for comfort and function, making it ideal for long journeys or extended road trips. Tech-wise, the Bugatti Motorhome 700 is packed with smart features. A central infotainment system connects seamlessly to all mobile devices, offering streaming, navigation, and climate control from a single interface. Built-in 5G connectivity ensures passengers stay connected on the go. Safety is also a priority with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, emergency braking, and surround view cameras included. The Bugatti Motorhome 700 is not just about luxury, it's about making a bold statement. It represents the merging of high-speed performance with the slow-living comfort of a home on wheels. Whether you're heading to a track day or a weekend getaway in the mountains, this motorhome turns every trip into a luxury experience. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more unique automotive content. This is Auto Review Pro, your go-to destination for the latest car reviews, future concept vehicles, and expert automotive insights.